how to restrict someone on Instagram. To get started, first of all, open up the Instagram application on your phone. You will then be taken to the newsfeed page on Instagram. On this screen, go to the bottom panel and tap on the search icon. Once you're in this page, tap on the search bar over here and type in the name of the person you want to restrict. Once you're done typing, tap on the profile. And here in the profile, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. You will see a menu like this. Tap on the option Restrict. Then, hit the Restrict button in this page. You will get to see this notification on the bottom that you have successfully restricted the person and their activities will be limited. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the menu on the top right. You will find yourself in the Settings page. Scroll down and tap on the option Restricted to view the list. Now, tap on Next. Here, you will get to see the accounts that you've restricted. Tap on the search bar to find more accounts to restrict. Type in their name, and once you find them, hit the Restrict button right next to their profile. After that, you will find them in the list of your restricted accounts. Following these steps, you can easily restrict someone on Instagram.